Number 5 on the ASVAB says an employee earns $8.25 an hour in 30 hours. What earnings has the employee made? So essentially, we're just doing 30 times this guy up here, all right? There's lots of different ways we can go about doing this. I'm going to break it down into two parts. I'm going to do 8 times that 30, and I'm going to do the 25 cents times that 30, and then I'm going to end up adding those two together, and I'll talk about why as we go. So if I do 8 times 30, I'm confident that I can just do 8 times 3 to give me 24, and I can tack that 0 on the end. So already right off the bat, if I had to guess, my answer is probably going to be A, because this is 240 alone. We just haven't done these 30, 25 cents yet. Now, I know that 25 is a quarter of a whole dollar, right? Well, that means that it would take 4 of these to give me $1, and I'm multiplying that by 30, which means I can essentially do 30 divided by 4, because it's per dollar, and we'll end up getting how many dollars that would be. So if I do 30 divided by 4, that's going to end up giving me, well, 7 times 4 is 28, 8 times 4 is 32, so 30 is right in the middle of those two, so 7.5. That means that if I do 30 divided by 4, it's going to give me 750. So in other words, 30 times 0.25 will give me 750. Now, if you don't believe that, multiplying by 0.25 would be the same thing as multiplying by 1 over 4, because again, those two are equal. And if you're multiplying by 1 over 4, that's the same thing as dividing by 4. So again, that's what gets us to this answer here. Well, now we can see easily 240 plus that 750 is indeed 247.5. That's going to be a final answer of B.